Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this class, we will create a multi-level drop-down menu using HTML and CSS. So let's start. So already I opened my VS Code and here already opened a folder. So for writing HTML code, I create a HTML file like index.html. Okay, and another file for styling like style.css. In index.html, we will write our basic structure. So as I be a shortcut extension, so HTML colon 5 and hit enter. So it is our basic structure. So I will change the title like drop down menu and link our CSS. So link colon CSS, hit enter. So our file is loaded. So in style CSS, first I write our basic code like star margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Okay. So for better looking, we need a Google font. So I go to browser and just write like Google font, hit enter, and Google Fonts official site. We can use basic font, popular font like Roboto or OpenSense. So I just search Poppins. Okay, Poppins font. So basically I need one version. Okay, just regular. Just select this font style. Okay, regular. Okay. Okay, select okay link and just copy or import, just import code and paste our here style CSS. And for calling for just copy this code. Okay, copy. Okay, so yeah, we don't need our roboto before edit. Okay, just single quotation. Okay, and body, font family, Poppins, font size 16 pixel, color hash 333. Okay, fine. Back to HTML file and just write for menu markup. Just create a class like menu and hit enter and ul inside ul li and li inside a, just like home. Okay, just repeat this line 5 times, 2 3 4 5. Okay, just like about, services, gallery, and finally contact. Okay, run this file. Okay, just shortcut go live server is in live server. Okay, so this is our basically output. So we can just write our live coding inspect here and select just menu and plus. So class is here. Okay, with 1000 pixel margin, 150 pixel auto. Okay, 150 or just 100 for top spacing, and ul. So inside menu ul. So menu inside ul, just write display flex list style none. In menu we can write a background color like 00875C. Okay, then need design this anchor. So here is menu ul lia. So copy this line and plus. Okay, inside li inside a, color hash triple f or white, text decoration none, font size like 18 pixel. Okay, 18 fine. Display block padding 20 pixel, 30 pixel. Okay, 25. Okay, 20. Okay, fine, 20 is okay. Now we need hover color. So as need smoothly, just add transition here, transition like 0.3s, and it's none, not nebo, just n or any. Copy this class and again plus here for new class, paste colon hover, background color like tomato. Okay, move cursor upon the text and see nice hover effect is added. Okay, so I click on inline for copy all the inline code, copy all code and paste our style.css just here below body. Okay, just save this line. So our normal menu is okay, fine. So now second step is drop down menu. When user move cursor like home, about, services, there is another drop down menu is visible here. When visible, when user move cursor upon the any menu item. So we could easily user can any kind of drop down for any item. So for testing, I use drop down menu for home. So how we can do this? Back to Ajax HTML, and here is our home or code. So before ending li, hit double enter and tab. So we write a drop down list or menu item for home. Just write ul start ul end. Okay, inside ul write li into li into a into 5 for shortcut coding. Li into 5 into a. So here is our for code for dot menu. So just write first level. Okay, copy this text and paste here, paste, and back to browser and just check what is our output. So here is our output. So basically our drop-down menu don't show by default. When user move cursor on any item, if they have drop-down menu, then show. Okay, so how can you do this? So where is the location? Just check menu ul li ul. So I just write here first comment for better coding, first level menu comment and. So our location is dot menu ul li ul. Just write position absolute and refresh. Okay, just check our menu is visible here. So for just write background color hash 00875C. Okay, flex direction column. Okay, and refresh. So our menu is here. So we can just increase some width like 220 pixel. Okay, so our menu is increased not to 180 or 160 is perfect. Okay, here is our menu. So by default this menu don't need to appear here. It is invisible. When user move cursor on item, so menu will be visible. So how can you do this? So it is very easy. So just write here opacity 0, visibility hidden, transition 0.3s. So menu will be invisible. So when visible, when user move cursor item or any item, menu item. So it's very simple. Just copy this line again. So if you check how it possible, how can do this? So when user move cursor like ul li, then if any ul, it will be visible. So just write li colon hover. So when user move cursor any list item, then if there any ul, that will be visible. So just write opacity 1 for visibility and visibility visible. So if any ul, then it will be visible. So again back to browser, refresh and check, it will be visible very nicely and it works very fine. So we can use some animation like by default top like 120%, and when hover is just like top 0. Refresh. Okay, just like here, but it will be the top because we don't use any position absolute li. So we used to need position relative dot menu ul li position relative. Okay, and back to refresh. Okay, but it will be a top 100%, so I can do this. Back to browser, it will be top 100%, so our problem will be solved. Again, just check it. Very nice animation is appear here. So our next challenge is second level menu. Second level menu means when drop down menu have drop down. So when user like cursor move on it first level, there will be another menu visible here. So how can we do this? Back to index.html, again where li before ending li, we add another ul, sorry, ul and okay, just write or copy those lines again. Okay, just we can remain 3 lines, which is perfect. Okay, change text like second, okay, second level. Okay, and refresh the page and check our menu visible, but it will stand a bit bottom of the first level. So how to solve this? Okay, so we can start for second level. So I can write another comment /start, sorry, /start second level start slash. So we can write a class for better understand, like class like second level. Okay, so like a second level position is menu ul li ul and then li ul. So it sometimes it's difficult to understand, but if you revise multiple times to understand code, it will be very easy, no problem. So we can write dot menu ul li li, sorry, and then ul class second level. Okay, just write position absolute left right 100% top 0. Okay, back to browser and check. We can some problem here. Dot menu ul li, sorry, it will be ul. Okay, so our menu is visible here. It's perfectly fine because our we added second level menu at the bottom. So as like previous, so by default it don't not need to show, so it will be hidden. So when it will show, when user move cursor on it, means first level, just move cursor on it. If have another level, it will be show. So copy those line. Okay, copy full line, no problem. Just paste here. So when user hover li hover second bracket opacity 1, visibility visible. Okay, fine. Refresh home first level okay, 0. Okay, top 100%. Okay, visibility top 0. Oh, sorry, it will be top 100 top 0. Page refresh. Okay, it's fine. Just check when if have. So if you want to add a daughter menu for contact, so it will be very easy because our code is ready. Just hit enter before ending li and just ul li and just like a like contact level. Just for testing, copy. Okay, refresh and check our contact level is okay. So just need our is increase for is width for maintain a full width. So we can just write 200. Okay, it's fine. You can decrease padding if you need, so you can this is our daughter menu is okay. If you need add another second level menu for contact, so it will be very easy. So how can like just copy this line and before add li just paste here. Okay, second level just second. Okay, for testing, second. Please refresh and check. Okay, sorry, our class is missing. Our class must be second level. Without class it cannot be work level. Okay, it's fine. Just check, our menu is perfectly okay. So if you want a border button like UL, you can easily use it by code. So hopefully you understand how to make a multi-level dot menu. If you need another level, you can add same as like second level. So today class so far. Thank you very much for watching.